Hello, friends. Welcome to Yearn to Learn. Here I present to you another chapter of Perspective by Priya. Is change irritating? No. It is confusing. It's mysterious. It's unsettling. But yet, it is undeniable. It knocks us off our balance. Yes, it does. And here I have come up with the 5 gorilla story. So, call it an experiment or call it a mirror to know things better. There were 5 gorillas that were placed in a cage, and at the center of the cage the stairs were kept, and high above bananas were hung from the ceiling. Now those gorillas were very tempted to see the bananas. They wanted that. So one of the gorilla just mustered his spirit and went near the staircase. As his foot touched the staircase, cold water was thrown on all the gorillas. He felt terrified. He stepped back. After a while, he tried again. But as he stepped on the staircase, cold water was thrown on all the gorillas again. This time, another gorilla thought he would give it a try. So the other gorilla went, but the same thing happened. One by one, rest of the gorillas also tried, but every time any gorilla would touch the staircase, the cold water would be showered on all of them. Now they were under terror. None of them would dare go near the staircase because they knew in the tempt of bananas they would have to bear the cold water. Now, as the experiment progressed, one of the old gorillas was replaced with a new gorilla. Now, new gorilla was new, so he didn't know what was happening. As he entered, he also saw, wow, bananas. And he was wondering why these other gorillas have not eaten the bananas yet. He thought, how does it matter? He should try. So he went forward. But as he was about to step on the staircase, he was attacked by the old 4 gorillas. Now you know why those 4 gorillas attacked him. Those old gorillas know why they attacked the new gorilla, but this new gorilla didn't know why he was attacked. Now he was in great terror. He didn't know what was happening. Was he being bullied? So he didn't dare try this out again. Now as it progressed, one of the gorillas of the old group was replaced with the new gorilla. Now we are having 3 old gorillas, 1 gorilla that came afterwards and was being attacked, and 1 totally new gorilla. Now this new gorilla also had the tempt to go and have bananas, but rest of them were ready to attack. The newcomer gorilla that entered before this one was also feeling now he would join the bullies. Now he is one of the attackers, but he didn't know why. Anyhow, so this second new gorilla also went near the staircase, but before he could step on it, all the 4 gorillas attacked him, 3 old and the first newcomer. So he was also bitten by them. He also had this great terror now. Why he was being attacked, he didn't know, but he did not had any daring to go near the staircase. So one by one, rest of the old gorillas were also replaced. Then 2, then 1, Now the same thing was repeated every time. Even the newcomers who became old would attack. However, they were not aware of the reason, but they had joined the attacking team. Now there were 4 new gorillas and 1 old gorilla. Last step was to replace that 1 old gorilla also, and reminding you that he was the only one who was aware why the attack was being done, and he knew the real reason of cold water being showered upon all of them. These 3 newcomers, they were bitten, so they have joined the attacking team, and 1 newcomer who was totally not aware was being attacked because he was trying. Now the final step, the last gorilla was also replaced. So there is a 5th newcomer, 4 old newcomers, and this 5th newcomer also, when he tried to step up the staircase in tempt of bananas, again rest of the 4 newcomers attacked him. But the only thing that changed this time was none of those 4 knew the reason why they were attacking that gorilla. They were doing it because the things were like that. It was the tradition in the cage. So they were now the bullies, they were now the attackers, but they had no idea why they were beating the new one. So friends, this happens when we blindly follow anything. So coming to the gist of today's story. So Perspective by Priya says that have the dare to question. Do not just do whatever is being done. Ask questions and be flexible enough to new ideas, to change. You'd never know, that can be a positive vibe. Had it been, the new gorillas would have tried to ask for the reason, tried any strategy, worked out creatively, or given an opportunity to the new one and showed some daring, the things would have been better. We never know. But the point is, we tend to follow whatever has been done. We say, if the cat has crossed your path, it is something unfortunate is going to happen. But why? Why so? Maybe the cat's day is gonna be unfortunate because it has seen you. You never know, no? So there is no reason behind any superstition or behind anything that we do. So be open to change and have space for new ideas. Be creative, keep learning. This is Priya Handa signing off. If you have any experience to share, I am waiting for your responses. You can mail me or write in the comment box below any of the similar situations if you have faced. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Signing off. God bless you all. Thank you.